Have you ever felt like holding on tight to someone or something was the only way to prove love? What if staying meant losing yourself? You cling, you convince yourself it's devotion, but deep down, do you feel suffocated? Does security feel like a cage? You tell people you're loyal, but loyalty without self isn't love, it's sacrifice. Sacrifice that steals your breath, that dims your light, that whispers lies like, if I leave, I'm heartless. You fear judgment. You fear being labeled cold. But what if I told you detachment isn't coldness, it's courage? What if letting go is your loudest act of self-love? Because holding on to pain is not martyrdom. It's silent agony. It's pretending to resist change while your soul begs for freedom. Imagine breathing again. Imagine choosing peace over pain. Imagine waking up without the weight of someone else's story on your chest. That's not giving up. That's giving yourself a chance. That's letting go of what no longer serves. That's reclaiming who you were before expectations, before fear, before heartbreak. It's not indifference, it's clarity. It's not absence, it's presence. The presence of you, fully whole. And yes, it can be terrifying, but courage isn't the absence of fear. It's moving forward in spite of it. You think holding on keeps love alive, but sometimes love dies under suffocation. You think staying shows strength, but sometimes it shows you're afraid of yourself. Break that cycle. Refuse the illusion. You don't owe permanence to anyone who doesn't see your worth. You owe yourself the chance to evolve. You owe yourself the right to say, I can't keep loving from an emptiness. You owe yourself the peace of breathing again. You owe yourself the liberation of honesty. When did you lose touch with your own beat? When did their chaos become more familiar than your own rhythm? When did silence feel so uneasy that you filled it with tension? Time to ask, would you rather feel empty with them or free alone? Letting go isn't giving up on love. It's refusing to cheapen it, refusing to carry someone else's burden, refusing to diminish your own light to fit. This isn't cold, it's ignition. A spark that says, this story ends here, now I begin. You're not leaving behind a person. You're stepping into your soul's permission slip. You're stepping into you, raw, vulnerable, real. So feel the fear, feel the grief, feel the weight lift, and then breathe. The silence left behind, it's fertile ground. Grow yourself, grow your peace, grow your freedom. You don't have to prove your strength by staying. You prove your power by choosing yourself. Letting go isn't coldness. It's freedom. It's rebirth. Your soul knows this. Are you ready?